Hello everyone, my name is Dheeraj and welcome to my YouTube channel Stay Work. Well, in this video, I would be talking you about some of my experiences, and this video is going to be meaningful. Why it is going to be meaningful? Because I would be sharing most incredible, most phenomenal, most meaningful, you can say, experiences that I have about life and the kind of challenges that I have gone through. I have developed a lot of capabilities over the period of time, and from today onward I would be sharing those life lessons and incredible lessons which could definitely help you to learn something, because sharing experience just not only will help me develop certain kind of potential and abilities, but at the same time I would be learning, I would be growing, I would be developing, right? And that, I think, that are very essential. So basically you can see the ambience, and the ambience is quite beautiful, I would say. I am here on the bank of river Gandak, which basically comes in between Hajipur and Sonpur. And this, you also know, you might know about, you might be knowing about Sonpur, because Sonpur is famous for its Sonpur fair. It has been famous since time immemorial, right? But I'm not going to talk about more about Sonpur. Rather, I would be talking about in life, it happens that we come across a lot of challenges. Okay, though I have not been posting or making videos and sharing on it YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, but from today onward I would be trying to shoot videos and also post it on my channel, right? So see, we know that our life is challenging, we know that we we face a lot of troubles in life. Okay, but how to solve any problems, or how to be more challenging, how to be more courageous, how to be more phenomenal in life, to face any kind of challenges, or to you know uh, develop certain kind of attitude and potential, use the potential and capacity which could help you grow more and more, and can help you develop you know uh, can help you develop you know you as a person, as a human being, are very important part of our life, right? So like how to deal with your own uh, challenges, I would say, uh, defines the very character that you possess, or defines the very attributes that you have, because that is very essential part of our life. It means, like, when you are able to resolve any problems and the challenges of your life, it gives you different kind of confidence, and that confidence can be the stepping stone in your development, that can help you that can help you to grow, to develop, and to master those kind of skills which are essential for the very prudential development for our life. So I think like these all kind of thing, be it having a positive attitude and containing or possessing those kind of characteristic which could develop you as a person and can help you earn the magnanimity, I would say, that pertinent qualities are very essential, right, in life. And that is that makes you more robust, that makes you more audacious, that makes you more invincible in life, right? So I think to have a spectacular quality, or to be invincible and indispensable in life, you God have to go through a lot of challenges, and that can help you develop that kind of personality and attributes, definitely, which shapes your personality and makes you more invincible, makes you more phenomenal. Okay, and helps you develop you as a person. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video, though I know that I haven't been able to talk about a lot of things which could help you learn so many things. But yeah, from today onward I will be posting a lot of videos with a meaningful lesson in it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my channel on this video as well. Thank you so much.